Operation video of everhappy multi-function transformer TTR tester. This TTR tester can test the following special transformers. It has a wealth of functions, giving you a head start.
Three-phase transformer, single-phase transformer, Z-type transformer, Scott or reverse Scott transformer T-type TR. Please connect wire according to picture yellow to A, green to B, red to CC.
Open switch and wait for device interface to boost up.
Press Enter key.
Input the rated turns ratio of the tested transformer.
Here I input 25.
Input the tapping number of tested transformer. Here I input 3.
Equal tap low volts. Our 10 kV transformer tap changer has 3 positions, each adjustment change 500 volts, so we'll fill in 5% here.
Select three-phase voltage ratio test.
Press Enter.
The run and test indicator lights will flash alternately. Please wait for the test to complete.
Subscribe HD Yoga Manufacturing for video update.
When the test is complete, the test indicator light stops flashing.
Press the print button to print the test results.
The test results have been printed.
Test data can also be stored on the device or exported to a USB flash drive via USB port.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.